As the new school year begins, it's also a time to welcome back students who have missed out.
This is a district-wide initiative where we go out to recruit our students that have left us during the school year and to try to recruit them back to PSJ.
This past Saturday, more than 400 volunteers, most of them teachers, joined the Countdown to Zero effort. Their goal? To bring students back to PSJ ISD.
Give that time up to be here and help us recover these students. It makes a huge difference.
For those students, they identify the students that have not returned, and we make folders for them, and then the volunteers take a folder or two with them per group, and they go out and make the home visits, talk to the families, talk to the students, try to encourage them to enroll in PSJ.
Over the years, PSJ staff has helped more than 1,000 students return to the district and finish their education.
So we've seen a lot of success, both not only on the student end, but also as a district-wide enrollment.
The Countdown to Zero program will continue throughout the year as teachers hope to reconnect with students who want to earn their high school diploma.